Now practice set 45. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. Now children, here the side of the square is given. You have to find the area of the square. So first we will write the given part. Length of each side of the square, that is S, is equal to 12 centimeter. We know the formula for finding area of the square. It is side square, that is S square. Side is 12, so we will take the square of 12. 12 square, it means multiplying the number by itself. Therefore, square of 12 is 144 square centimeter. Hence, area of the square having side 12 centimeter is 144 square centimeter. Then second, if the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Here the length of rectangle L is 15 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle, that is B, is 5 centimeter. We have to find the area. What is the formula for area of rectangle, children? Here it is length multiplied by breadth. That is 15 multiplied by 5. It is 75 centimeter square. Hence, area of rectangle is 75 square centimeter. Now third example. The area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? In this example, children, area and length of a rectangle are given. You have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. For perimeter, you should know the breadth. So, using the formula for area of a rectangle, first we will find the breadth of the rectangle. Now, area of rectangle is given and length of the rectangle is given. As we know the formula for area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, we can take the formula as breadth is equal to area upon length. So, if we put the values of area and length, we will get it as 102 upon 17. Now, we know 102 comes in the table of 17. 17, 6 are 102. Hence, breadth of the rectangle is 6 centimeter. Now, here you know the length as well as the breadth. You can find the perimeter of rectangle. Here, perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So, put the values of length and breadth here. Here, length is 17 and breadth is 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. Children, here we are using the BODMAS rule. That is, first we will solve the bracket and then we will multiply. Therefore, we will add 17 and 6 first. So, you will get here 23. So, 2 multiplied by 23 is 46. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle is 46 centimeter. Now, fourth example. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Now, in this example, children, it is given that if the side of square is triple, that if the side of square is taken 3 times, then how many times the area will be that of the original square, area of original square. So, for that, first we will find the area of original or old square, then we will find the area of new square. So, let us consider area of each side of original square is S. So, this is the side of original square. So, the area of original square will be side into side, that is side square. Now, here the side of square is tripled. Therefore, the side of new square will be 3 times that of the side of original square, that is 3S. Area of new square will be side multiplied by side, that is 3S multiplied by 3S. Now, 3 into 3 is 9, S into S is S square. Now, from here, we can write it as 9 into S square. Why we are writing it like this? Because we know that this S square is the area of original square. Therefore, we can write area of original square in place of S square, that is 9 multiplied by S square, that is 9 multiplied by area of original square, because area of original square is S square. Hence, area of new square is equal to 9 times area of original square. Hence, if the area side of the square is tripled, then the area will become 9 times the area of original square. Therefore, the area of new square will become 9 times the area of original square. Children, here we have completed with practice set 45. You all have to complete your copies till here. Thank you.